Hi startups out there, my name is Michael Hamilton, software testing professional. Last week we looked at and we talked about contracts for your software development projects. This week we're going to look at the life cycle of a project. What sort of approach do you use? In old traditional ways, you hire a software company or a developer to build some software for you. You tell them your requirements up front, they go away and do it in isolation and then present something back to you. Now then at the end of the process, you look at what you wanted and it wasn't what you wanted. It wasn't the desired result. That's an old way of doing things. What's happened now is that there's new methodologies in place and new processes that allow you as a client to review the software as you go along. So we call this an agile methodology or process. And what it allows you to do is to break up the functionality of your software and put it into particular sprints. And these sprints could last a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, depending on your project. Now, these sprints allow you to, for example, maybe design the installation of the software on a smartphone, the login of the application, the search functionality, or adding a user, for example, in the first sprint, and the next sprint could add more functionality. The whole point is that you can review at the end of that sprint if the functionality meets your needs before going and building all the other chunks of the software. So you do things earlier and you refine the product or the service in some cases. This is the great thing about it. What I like about it is that you can actually bring in real market users at the end of a sprint or during the sprint, depending on how you use your approach, to review the software and give you feedback. You might find it might not be the right idea and you could know early not to progress further in your journey and not spend more money. That's the really great thing about it. I've written a blog today in a written format that's on LinkedIn and on my website where it talks about the process and it's got some diagrams there to show you how to do it. But also, I'd like to say thank you very much for your time today. If you've got any questions around this particular subject, please feel free to contact me via my webpage at mikehamilton.com.au via the contact page. There's also links there to my Twitter account, LinkedIn, and also my YouTube channel. Otherwise, talk to you soon, and I wish you all the best of luck. Thank you.